5 side hustles that actually work in 2026. Everyone is talking about side hustles. But here's the truth. Most people make less than $100 a month and quit. So today, I'm showing you 5 side hustles that actually work in 2026, with real proof, real numbers, and real income potential. Because in 2026, one paycheck isn't enough anymore. Nearly 72% of workers now rely on extra income. The difference? Not working harder, but choosing the right hustle. 1. Freelance skills: writing, design, video editing. This is the #1 side hustle dominating 2026. Companies are outsourcing everything from blog posts to thumbnails to short-form video editing. Proof: freelance writers earn around $29 per hour on average. Top freelancers earn $50 plus per hour. Demand keeps growing as businesses rely on freelancers. Long-term reality. If you have a skill, you already have income potential. 2. Content creation: YouTube, Shorts, TikTok. This is where attention equals money. You don't need millions of followers. You need consistent, valuable content. Proof: average creators earn around $44,000 per year. Short-form video demand is exploding. Editing and content demand rising. Reality: most creators fail because they quit early, not because it doesn't work. 3. Online tutoring/teaching skills. If you know something, you can teach it. Math, coding, English, even AI tools. Proof: earnings range from $7,800 to $100,000 plus annually with part-time hours. Demand for online tutoring is rapidly growing. Reality: you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. 4. Selling digital or physical products. Etsy, reselling. This is where side hustles turn into businesses. Think: digital templates and printables reselling undervalued items. Proof: many sellers turn simple ideas into full-time income streams. Even flipping items can generate hundreds in profit over time. Reality: you build it once and sell it over and over again. 5. Virtual services: bookkeeping, VA, social media management. Businesses don't want employees. They want flexible help. That's where you come in. Proof: virtual assistants earn $20 to $40 per hour. Bookkeeping and remote services provide steady monthly income. Reality: this is one of the fastest ways to go from $0 to consistent income. Let's be honest. Most people won't succeed with side hustles because they quit too early. They chase too many ideas. They expect fast money. Real data: average side hustle income ranges widely. Many earn only $200 per month at the start, but serious hustlers can reach $1,000 plus per month. The goal isn't to start 5 side hustles. It's to pick one and go all in. Because the people winning in 2026, they're not lucky. They're consistent.
Thank you for watching this presentation. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who will be interested in this information.